Greetings everybody out there in the watch-loving world. Well, I ordered a Rolex from Japan and I tracked it with FedEx. But one thing, I thought it was a Rolex Air King reference 114200. But to my surprise, and the same reference number, it's a 34mm Rolex Oyster Perpetual with the 369 dial for the Explorer, and it's a blue dial, and so I was very pleased with it. But somebody got to the mailbox before I did, but I'm glad. But anyway, the watch is an Oyster Perpetual 34mm reference 114200, and I'm quite surprised with it. But here is our very unorthodox unboxing.
My husband, although he said he never would do this again because, you know, they're just not the greatest things, or they cost too much money, or because he has all these other watches and so he doesn't need it, decided to go ahead and buy a Rolex. So it came in the mail today. I had to sign for it. And since I signed for it, I'm going to open it. So, I don't have any gloves either. Should I wear gloves? Do I need to wear gloves? I don't know all the numbers to these things. It's a Rolex blah 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 something something. I'm not even sure what to call it. It's a watch. Like, you know, my Apple Watch. I have a fruit watch. So here's the box. We're going to open it together. And it comes with its own little bow wrap here. And then it has another box. Okay, you ready? Here it comes. Whoa. And it's wrapped up with some more stuff. So let's take some more stuff off. Let's see. Is that what it is? Is that what it's supposed to look like? It's like totally upside down in the box. Why is it upside down? It should have been right side. Okay, this is the watch. Upside down. Right side up. Inside out. It's got its own little pillow so it can sleep well at night. And this is what my husband got so excited about. And there it is. It works. There we go. A Rolex. Whatever it's called. I put it back in the box so he doesn't know I opened it. I hope he doesn't find out.